Today, we're unboxing the launched X-613 mobile wheel aligner, which comes packaged together in 3 boxes. The first box contains 3 parts. First, we have the hard case with the main unit. These units magnetically attach to the side of your drive or style lid. They are self-calibrating and wirelessly connect to your throttle 3 or 5 tablet. The next part contains wall mounts for the camera units, 4 targets that attach to the wheel or tire clamps, and the user manual. To wrap up our first box, we have our tire clamps with 2 size adapters and corresponding wall mounts. Inside the second box, we have the wheel clamps with their corresponding wall mounts. Lastly, there's an auxiliary box containing a steering wheel holder, brake pedal depressor, wheel chocks, as well as the 2 turn plates. Now, let's talk about what makes the X-613 stand out. When not in use, it can be entirely wall-mounted for easy storage and accessibility in your shop. Easily put away the main camera units, wheel clamps, and tire clamps. Alternatively, the main unit can be stored in its hard case designed for easy wiring, so you can continue charging it even when it's put away in its case. So, there you have it. If you're looking for a compact 4-wheel aligner, check out the X-613.